Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. A small kitchen can be both beautiful and highly efficient when designed with the right balance of style and practicality. It's all about making the most of every inch, finding creative storage solutions, and choosing finishes that keep the space feeling open and inviting. Whether you're working with a compact apartment kitchen or a cozy corner in your home, thoughtful design choices can turn it into a place you'll truly enjoy spending time in. In this video, we'll explore clever ideas and modern design touches that can help you transform a small kitchen into a space that's functional, stylish, and full of personality. In a small kitchen, every inch counts, so cabinetry should do more than just look good. Sleek, flat front doors create a smooth, uninterrupted surface that makes the space feel larger. Inside, smart storage features like pull-out shelves, deep drawers, and corner carousels help keep everything organized and within easy reach. Vertical dividers for baking sheets, built-in spice racks, and hidden trash bins make daily tasks easier while keeping the counters clear. Choosing handleless designs or discreet hardware adds to the streamlined look, giving the kitchen a modern, clutter-free feel. Light and reflective finishes can make a small kitchen feel more open and airy. Soft, neutral cabinetry in shades of white, cream, or pale gray helps reflect natural light, while glossy backsplashes and polished countertops bounce light around the room. Glass cabinet doors can add depth, and even a simple mirrored accent can subtly expand the visual space. Pairing these finishes with well-placed lighting enhances the effect, creating a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere without overwhelming the room's proportions. In a small kitchen, an island can become the hardest working feature in the room. A compact design with built-in shelves or drawers offers extra storage, while the surface can serve as both a prep area and a casual dining spot. Choosing an island on wheels adds flexibility, allowing it to be moved or tucked away when more floor space is needed. Some designs even include pull-out cutting boards or extendable counters, making the island adaptable for different tasks. With the right proportions and thoughtful features, it becomes a stylish centerpiece that adds function without crowding the room. When floor space is limited, looking upward can unlock a surprising amount of storage and style potential. Tall cabinets that extend to the ceiling provide room for seldom used items while keeping everyday essentials within reach below. Open shelves or hanging racks can display cookware, utensils, or decorative pieces, adding personality without taking up counter space. Wall-mounted hooks and magnetic strips keep tools handy and free up drawers. By making use of the full height of the kitchen, the design feels more intentional and organized, while also drawing the eye upward to create the sense of a taller, more open room. Choosing appliances that blend seamlessly into the cabinetry can make a small kitchen feel more open and less cluttered. Built-in ovens, under-counter refrigerators, and slim dishwashers keep the layout streamlined while still offering full functionality. Induction cooktops not only save space but also provide a sleek surface that doubles as extra counter area when not in use. Compact appliance models are designed to deliver the same performance as standard sizes, making them perfect for maximizing efficiency. By integrating these pieces into the design, the kitchen maintains a cohesive, modern look without sacrificing convenience. Replacing some upper cabinets with open shelving can instantly make a small kitchen feel lighter and less confined. Open shelves provide easy access to everyday items while creating an opportunity to display attractive dishware, glass jars, or small plants. To keep the look organized, group similar items together and avoid overcrowding. Using materials like wood or metal can add warmth or an industrial touch, depending on the style you prefer. This simple change not only frees up visual space but also adds character, making the kitchen feel both functional and inviting. A well-lit kitchen feels larger, more inviting, and easier to work in. Layering different types of lighting helps create depth and functionality in a small space. Under-cabinet lighting brightens work surfaces and eliminates shadows, while recessed ceiling lights provide overall illumination without taking up visual space. Adding pendant lights above an island or breakfast counter can bring a touch of style and focus to key areas. By combining these light sources, the kitchen gains both practicality and a warm, welcoming atmosphere that enhances the overall design. In a small kitchen, visual simplicity can make all the difference. Keeping countertops free from unnecessary items creates a sense of openness and calm. Store small appliances, utensils, and pantry goods out of sight to maintain a clean, streamlined appearance. Choosing a limited color palette and simple finishes helps the space feel more cohesive, while incorporating just a few carefully selected decorative pieces prevents it from looking bare. This minimalist approach not only makes the kitchen more visually spacious but also makes daily cleaning and cooking much easier. A small kitchen has endless potential when designed with intention and creativity. By focusing on smart storage, light-enhancing finishes, multifunctional features, and a clean, organized layout, it's possible to create a space that feels open, stylish, and easy to work in. The key is to make every design choice serve both beauty and function, ensuring the kitchen not only looks appealing but also supports daily living. If these ideas inspired you to reimagine your own kitchen, share this video with others who might find it helpful. Like the video to support the channel, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more home design inspiration.